Asterisk how to get Dubai digital marketing clients for your digital marketing agency. Asterisk. Dubai, renowned for its booming economy and diverse business landscape, offers abundant opportunities for digital marketing agencies to thrive. However, in a competitive market like Dubai, acquiring and retaining clients requires strategic planning, networking, and a thorough understanding of local business dynamics. If you're looking to grow your digital marketing agency client base in Dubai, here are some effective strategies to help you succeed. Asterisk 1. Understand the local market. Asterisk. Before reaching out to potential clients, take the time to research and understand the local market in Dubai. Familiarize yourself with the industries that dominate the market, emerging trends, consumer behavior, and the competitive landscape. Tailor your services and strategies to meet the specific needs and preferences of businesses operating in Dubai. Asterisk 2. Leverage your network. Networking plays a crucial role in acquiring new clients in Dubai. Attend industry events, conferences, business forums, and networking sessions to connect with potential clients, industry professionals, and decision makers. Cultivate relationships with key stakeholders and leverage your network to generate leads and referrals for your digital marketing agency. Asterisk 3. Showcase your expertise. Demonstrate your agency expertise and credibility by showcasing your past successes, case studies, client testimonials, and portfolio of work. Develop content that highlights your agency's unique value proposition, industry knowledge, and innovative solutions. Position yourself as a thought leader in digital marketing through blogs, white papers, webinars, and speaking engagements to attract potential clients in Dubai. Asterisk 4. Offer tailored solutions. Customize your digital marketing services to address the specific needs and objectives of potential clients in Dubai. Conduct thorough assessments and consultations to understand their business goals, target audience, and competitive landscape. Propose tailored strategies and solutions that align with their objectives and deliver measurable results, showcasing the value your agency can provide. Asterisk 5. Localize your approach. Adapt your marketing and communication strategies to resonate with the local culture and preferences in Dubai. Utilize Arabic language capabilities, if available, in your marketing materials and communications to establish rapport and credibility with local businesses. Incorporate cultural nuances and sensitivities into your campaigns to ensure relevance and effectiveness in the Dubai market. Asterisk 6. Utilize digital marketing channels. Harness the power of digital marketing channels to reach potential clients in Dubai effectively. Utilize targeted advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to raise awareness of your agency services and attract qualified leads. Showcase your expertise through engaging content, video testimonials, and interactive experiences to capture the attention of prospective clients. Asterisk 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction and relationship building to retain existing clients and attract new ones in Dubai. Deliver exceptional service, prompt communication, and personalized attention to exceed client expectations and foster long-term partnerships. Demonstrate your commitment to client success by continuously optimizing strategies, providing transparent reporting, and delivering tangible results. Asterisk 8. Stay updated and adaptive. Stay abreast of industry trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes in the digital marketing landscape to remain competitive in Dubai. Continuously innovate your services, adopt new tools and methodologies, and adapt to evolving client needs and market dynamics. Position your agency as a trusted partner that can navigate the complexities of digital marketing and drive business growth for clients in Dubai. Feel free to contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058. Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. By implementing these strategies and leveraging the unique opportunities presented by the Dubai market, your digital marketing agency can successfully acquire and retain clients, establishing a strong presence and reputation in one of the world's most dynamic business hubs. With perseverance, strategic planning, and a client-centric approach, you can unlock the full potential of Dubai's digital marketing landscape and propel your agency to new heights of success. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing की दुनिया. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।